What I wish someone told me, cruise control isn't magic. It's actually pretty picky about what works and what doesn't. First, check the basics. Is your check engine light on? If it is, your Ridgeline's cruise control might be disabled until you fix the issue. Next, double-check your brake lights. A faulty brake light switch can trick your truck into thinking you're always pressing the brakes, so cruise control won't turn on. Is your transmission in drive? Cruise control only works in drive, not park, reverse, or neutral. Also, cruise control usually won't work if you're driving under 25 miles per hour. Speed up a bit, then try again. Still nothing? Sometimes the problem is with a blown fuse, a bad speed sensor, or even a wiring issue. For these, you'll probably want to check your owner's manual or talk to a mechanic. One last tip. Modern Ridgelines have advanced safety systems. If you have any warning lights for lane keeping, traction control, or collision alerts, they might shut off cruise control as a safety measure. So, remember, if your Honda Ridgeline's cruise control isn't working, start simple, check your lights and dashboard, then level up to the trickier stuff. And if you're stuck, don't worry, your local mechanic can help you get back on cruise.